Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Sunny World. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you Hout Bay Beach. Hout Bay is about a 25-minute drive from the center of Cape Town. Hout Bay's beach is wide and flat. 1 kilometer stretch of sandy shore situated in Hout Bay. The bay waters are calm, swimming is allowed. This is great beach for kids and safe swimming as the bay is quite sheltered from ocean swells. Although cold, the water is calm and nice for cooling off on a hot summer's day. Go to the Mariner's Wharf to experience the bustle of a working harbour. Sit on the terrace at one of the Wharf's restaurants and sample freshly caught yellowfin tuna. Make the short walk to Bay Harbour. Join a boat trip from the harbour and cruise around the Sentinel Mountain to Dwicker Island, where you can see a large colony of South African fur seals basking on the rocks. Pass the surf spot known as Dungeons, which is famous for its big waves and annual surf competition. If you are feeling energetic, then sign up for a sea kayaking tour and explore the shoreline and cliffs of nearby Chapman's Peak Mountain. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.